Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I'm going to be going over fillets in 123D Design. We will start with the box, and I'll go ahead and smart scale this to be a little bit larger. So if you want to do one fillet at a time, you can just go up and grab the fillet command and pick an edge, and then you can either grab this arrow or you can also put in a number. I'll put in 10 millimeters. Alright. But another way to do this, because that's going to be very time consuming if I want to do all these edges, so I can grab the solid. Now I'm going to hold control and I'm going to grab these remaining three corners here, these remaining three edges. Now I'm going to hit E for fillet. See this, the shortcut key is E. And I'm going to do these, what was it, 10? And so now we can see we've got all these edges. Here's another important thing. Now if I go and do a fillet, I want you to try to imagine what's going to happen if I pick one of these top edges around this top face. So try to picture what's going to happen. I will turn this off first, and then let's see what happens here. So notice how it's only filleting this one edge. Alright, I'll undo this, and then I'll hit E for fillet. Tangent chain is on now, and if I choose this, it shows all the way around. Tangent just means you can move around it smoothly. So I will do this. And so there's another fillet. If you look at these corners, these are hard corners. These are not tangent, where these ones are tangent going around. Okay, so this is Keith from Kinvert. We went over how to do fillets in 123D Design. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.